Insulin vials are trending, and not all the talk is good. But Healthcare Logistics, together with Atlantic Health System, has developed a solution to disrupt the trend. Through our exclusive collaboration, we introduced the patent Insulin Safety Secure Initiative Box, or ISSI box, which solves insulin storage and dispensing hassles and is saving facilities thousands of dollars. In addition to providing a secure location for insulin vials, the ISSI box reduces the number of redundant vials sent 2 units per patient, and it helps facilities adhere to standards regarding high alert medication. As an example, during a 3-month evaluation following its transition to ISSI box, one hospital reported a cost savings of more than $25,000. So what exactly is the ISSI box? It's a sealed, see-through container for up to 4 insulin vials. It keeps drug names and expiration dates visible through specially designed cutouts, which also allow for convenient barcode scanning. Because of its clever design, vial stoppers remain exposed for easy medication withdrawal. And because the boxes are not patient-specific, there is less product waste and significant cost savings. A tamper-evident lock system uses specially designed seals to protect contents, and each box comes with 10 seals. The idea for the ISSI box came from our pharmacy and nursing staff on the front line of patient care, said Jan Schwarz-Miller at Atlantic Health System. It has allowed us to more easily and safely administer barcode scan and store various insulin vials. We now have an invaluable tool that has improved our insulin administration system, thereby enhancing patient safety, minimizing waste, and reducing overall costs. Consider this. Using traditional dispensing methods during a 3-day evaluation, a hospital returned 186 vials or 6,000 plus worth of medication to the pharmacy following a floor inspection. Reasons for the returns included no patient label, no expiration date, medication was expired, multiple vials were sent for one patient, or the patient had been discharged. All of these are violations of the Joint Commission regulations for high alert medication. Following the transition to ISSI box dispensing, these types of returns are no longer an issue, and savings are adding up daily. Are you ready to see the same results in your facility? The ISSI box can make it possible. And if you're interested in the ISSI box concept with modifications, we can do that too. Box size, med storage quantity, and box labeling can be tailored to your needs. So give us a call and get started today.